that, but it's not cannot communicate to YouTube messages. It's just frozen. Weird. Oh. Maybe internet. I thought you report it already, Cameron, to what is that, to the internet crew. You see, Cameron, oh, it's cloudy here. It's cloudy. No sun. Dito rin sa amin, sis, daming hapon. May hapon din dito, Kuya Odi. May mga hapon din dito. Ayan, Tall Mechanic, mega love shout out. Pasensya guys sa mga nag-live ngayong araw, hindi ako nakasupport kasi buong araw na walang ilaw. Baka hanggang alas 8 daw na walang ilaw. So, kaya lumayas na kami sa bahay. Dito na ako magyaw-yaw. Oh, yan o. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo guys. No, I didn't know because I figured out the problem. It was the video. I used reuse content. Why reuse content? I didn't yet use that video. Not a technical problem. I didn't yet use that video, Cameron. Promise. I used the banana and the strawberry but different design.
It's like
Cameron show MLSO from Tall Mechanic. I don't know anymore. Ay nako. Mainit. Mainit si Lolo Cameron. Ay nako. I think you make your own video, Cameron. So that Whitey will not get angry to you. Diba? Iyan, Tall Mechanic, maraming salamat. Kapsat China, shout out. Dito na ako magyaw-yaw. Oh, where did you get that one? Where did you get that one? There is one here. There is this one. Right. Oh. I restarted my stream and I'm using my own video. It is my own video. Yeah, maybe that is better, Cameron, because maybe the background, Cameron, because the plate that I use and the chopping board I used that before. But it's frozen now. Also, I don't know what to say na camera. Altaf, hi, shout out. Oh, is it on the
friends, natayo ito pa.